find out, did I get the re-trigger 3 spins? I believe I did. When it says bonus, yep. Oh, no I didn't. What the hell?